Hi guys, welcome to Links our YouTube channel. My name is Ram Mishra and I'm your online instructor. So what's in this video? In this video I will tell you how to write Jenkins file. So guys, let's begin the topic. But before start the lab session, we have to understand few points, which is what is Jenkins file and its use cases. In Jenkins, a pipeline is a collection of events or job which are interlinked with one another in a sequence. Jenkins pipeline can be defined by a text file which is known as called Jenkins file. It is a text file that stores the whole process as code in our local machine. It can be reviewed in source code management, which is known as SCM platform, such as Git. It helps the developers to view, edit, and test the code whenever he required. The Jenkins files is written using the Groovy domain specified language and can be generated using a text editor or the Jenkins instance configuration tab. So in this demo, I will demonstrate you how we can write and configure our first Jenkins file. So let's begin the lab session. As you can see, this is my VMware workstation and currently I'm in Linux virtual machine. So let me check the OS release version and IP address of this machine first. So I'll go with cat etc red hat release and you can see 9.2 version and my IP address is 192.168.229.134. So I have already installed Jenkins on this Linux box. If you don't know how to install Jenkins, please go to my previous video where I have mentioned how you can install Jenkins in Jenkins playlist. So let me take the web console access of my Jenkins dashboard from my web browser and we'll start our project. So I'm back here, log in with username and password. So here I'm logged in with my credentials and this is my Jenkins dashboard. So pipeline can be created in many of the following ways, like through the classic UI, where you can enter the basic pipeline directly in the Jenkins through the classic UI option. Second one, we can go with SCM. You can write Jenkins manually, which you can commit to your project source control repository like GitHub. And the third option is through Blue Ocean. After setting a pipeline project in Blue Ocean, the Blue Ocean UI helps you write your pipeline Jenkins file and commit it to the source control directly. So start with the first step, create a basic pipeline through the Jenkins classic UI. So a Jenkins file created using the classic UI is stored by Jenkins itself within the Jenkins home directory. So let's make our first pipeline job and see how it's work. So you can go with the create job, give the job name, I'll go with the demo and select the pipeline, right? Click OK. Now give the nice description. So this is my first PIPE pipeline project. Let it be scroll down, go to the pipeline section. Okay, so in the pipeline section you can see we have a two method, pipeline script and pipeline script from SCM, get the code from the SCM, right? So here we have some example codes are available. Let's go see, try sample code, hello world, GitHub plus Maven, scripted pipelines. So if you go with the scripted pipeline, the entire option is there, right? Even I'll go with the hello world. I'll make it very simple first of all. So here you can see the options are available. So however, for more syntax option, for you want to just know more about the syntax option, you can click this pipeline syntax option, right? You can open in a new tab and the entire thing is there. You can generate the pipeline automatically from here also. It's a generator tool, right? So currently, let me go with the basic thing first. If I open it, okay, the first point is pipeline. So entire declarative pipeline script should be written inside the pipeline block. It's a mandatory block, right? Then we have our next one is agent option. Agent option. Agent means specify where the Jenkins build job should run. Agent can be at pipeline level or stage level. It's mandatory to define an agent. In my case, it is running up on same master agent. Then we have stages and steps. So stages means stages block defines conceptually distant subset of tasks performed through the entire pipeline, like build, test, deploy. These are the different stages, right? Which is used by many plugins to visual or present Jenkins pipeline status progress. Next we have step. Step means what? A single task. Fundamentally, a step tells Jenkins what to do to at particular point in time or step in the process. For example, to execute the shell command like date or cal, use the sh step date command. So here basically one stage is there which is hello state, right? This is the hello and print the message hello world. So let me modify and add 2 more stages. So what we need to do, we will just copy this one stage and let it be copy complete from 5 to 9 number. Copy that one and press enter, go to the proper indentation and paste it. So let me change first, hello, say FIRST. Let me change this, go back here, this is my FIRST first, this is my first view, and similarly let me change here second, let me change the print message, this is my second view. Okay, that's sufficient. So here basically I have changed. Now you can see in the script I have 2 stages, first and second stage, with the both show me the print messages. Let's save and quit from here, and now we can build it, right? So let's save, and here the build now is option is there. So now we can build it. Let's click on the build now. So I click, let it be reload, and okay, start it. You can see that, right? Even if you can, here's the stage view. This is the stage view which I'm talking about, right? So this is the stage. Here we can see the job execution time, what the time it is. Even we can check the logs. You can click here, this option, and click on the log. So hi, this is my first view. Similarly, we can click on this option, log. This is my second view, right? Perfect. So here we can see the job execution and the log. And for more pipeline syntax, what we can do, we can click on this pipeline syntax option, right? We can go through pipeline syntax option and generate the pipeline with the pipeline generator tools. So this is the classic UI method. If you talk about this one, that is a classic UI state method. Hey, give me 1 second. Let me open one more time. So this is the classic UI method where we can check, and our stage views is there, right? And there we can build the pipeline and run the multiple jobs. So let's move to the next method, which is create pipeline through Blue Ocean, right? So Blue Ocean is basically a new user experience for Jenkins based on personalizable modern design that allow user to graphical create and visual and diagnostic and diagnose continuous delivery pipeline. So first of all, we need to install the Blue Ocean plugin first. So for the time saving purpose, I have already installed this plugin, but let me show you the steps how you can install the Blue Ocean. So first of all, we will go to the dashboard, click on the Manage Jenkins. Inside Manage Jenkins, go to the plugin, and here you can find out BLUE Blue Ocean, but it's not currently available or update. No, it's not there because I have already installed. So I click on the install. But once you want to install the first time, you will search it inside the available plugin, right? So let me go with Blue Ocean. Okay, this is thing you have to install, right? Blue Ocean. So this is you need to install. After the once you have successfully installed, because I have already downloaded, so I have already downloaded install. So I need to search in the install plugin option. But you have to go inside the available plugin when you go with the first time. Once you have successfully installed, after that do not forget to restart the Jenkins services, right? So now let's go back to the dashboard because it's already installed. So now you can see after the installation, here's the option open Blue Ocean is there. You will find out this option. So just open it. Now see the UI page. Oh wow, that's very good. So here you can see the nice visual representation for Jenkins Pipeline view. Here you can see our older project demo is also there, right? This is there. We can run it from here also. Let it be run this project. So how you can run? You can just click this way, or you can click from here. So let me run one more time. Started demo 2 and now started by the user admin. I can go over there. I can view the logs from here. This is my second view. I can click first. This is my first view. The nice graphical representation, right? Even we can restart the particular job stage action. Restart the first. So I can particularly restart the first option, right? And even if I click on this option, display the log in new window, you can see the entire new window is there with the logs. Even I can download and save the logs from here also. Download the log file. You want to go back, you can click go back on here. So I'm back again on my dashboard. So this is a the very good thing, very good plugin which is used for the graphical presentation of pipeline, and even you can create a new pipeline from here also. So let's create new pipeline via Blue Ocean, right? So I'll click on the new pipeline, click. Now we need to choose the location where we want to save our code, which is known as Jenkins file in our case, right? So for that one, we can go with any of these options, like we can go with Bitbucket, GitHub, Git, Bitbucket server, or GitHub enterprise. I'll go with the GitHub, right? So now connect to the GitHub. So for that, we can go with this option, and we need to, and in the other tab, we need to open the GitHub account and create basic repository with any index of HTML file or without any file. It's up to you, but the repository should be there. So I am on my GitHub account. This is my GitHub account, and currently I don't have any repository. Let me create a basic repository first. So I said demo project 1 repository name, and this is the publicly one. Okay, let me add the readme file and just scroll down and create the repository. So I have successfully created the public repository, and currently there is a no file. So let me add a simple file. It's not mandatory, I'll just add it, right? So I'll just write down index.index.html. Hi, this is my demo web server. Okay, let's think about this, the code of my index.html page. Let it be commit and save. Commit create index.html. Yeah, successfully created. So now if I go back on my demo project, this is my demo project 1 repository. Here you can see that readme file as well as index.html with the latest comment. So now let me log in back on my Jenkins. So I'm here on my Jenkins. We need to give I have successfully created a public 1 repository with HTML. So we need to create an access token here to connect my GitHub account. So click on this, give the name. It's a kind of name why you are generating, and now it is 30 days expiration period, and the repository options automatically are selected. This one, that one, read write, and username and email option. So let it be create, generate the token, and copy that token. We require this token. It's very, very important. Now you get access token. So type the token here and just connect. So I have just copied the token and paste it here and connect it. Now you can see my account ID name SRM is there, and once I click this one, here is it's reflecting my entire repository that is available in SRM 71118 account. So currently I have only one account, so I select that one and create the pipeline. So let it be select and create the pipeline. So it's creating. There are no Jenkins file in project 1. Okay, so now you can see that from here this is the entire new option, and from here we can build our script, that is Jenkins file, if it is not available over there, right? And currently you see that it's totally fresh account, only one index.html inside this public repository. So now let's build the pipeline. So in the pipeline setting, we have first of all agent option. I'll go with the any agent, otherwise you have the option node or none. So I'll go with the any, and then we have the environment. Environment is basically used for the global variable. So we can create a one global variable here, and that variable we can call it entire script at any stage, at any level. So let me create a one global variable. I said Linux, say value is Red Hat. Okay, so here Linux is key. You can see the variable, and Red Hat is the value of this key, right? Now we need to give the stages. Say stage is required. So click on this plus icon and give the stage name. So I'll give the stage name first, and then we have to add multiple steps. So there are the multiple steps out there. Look at that, and number options are there. So just simply click with the mouse. You can go and select whatever you want, right? It's very easy. So first of all, I go with the print message. Let me go with the print message. Say welcome to my Blue Ocean project. Just back, it's successfully done, right? Now see, one message successfully done. Now just add one more, click on the second. I click one more, second name is, go with second, and step, what step you want. So I want to go this time execution shell scripts. So here I go with date command, cal command, something like that. Back, second is successfully created. Now click one more, third, 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 how easy it is. So go add step, Now in the third, this time I'll go with the Git repository where I have the index.html page, right? So scroll down. Now I need to give the URL. So in my case, URL is available here. I can copy and give the branch name. So in my case, the branch name is main, right? And back. And what I can add one more step here, that is go with the to read the content of this web page. So I click add one more step, which is the shell script cat index.html. Okay, so here you can see two steps are there: git repository fetching the code and read the shell script. Now let me add one more parallel. We can add parallel stage here. So click on this icon, say FOURTH, add step. Let me go with the sleep this time. So I'll set wait for 10 seconds and then add one more step. What? Shell script. So I can say echo my custom variable value is, remember, $Linux, whatever the custom variable value I have selected over there in my starting point, right? So now you can see that my script is ready. So if you want to view the entire script, use Control S. So I use Control S. See, entire script is successfully ready. How it's important, it's very easy for us, right? So in my first stage, this is the print message. It will print. In my second, date and cal command will run. In the third, my index.html fetch will fetch from this repository, and the next step I can see the content of my web page using cat command. And in the next, fourth one blank, let me create sleep 10. Okay, sleep 10. It will wait for 10 seconds, and then there's a typo error. Okay, let me set it first. Let me change my custom variable. Okay, yeah, now go with the Control S. So here you can see that it will wait for 10 seconds and then it will show my custom variable value will be print, right? Okay, now update successfully. Okay, so now let me finally save this script, or you can say this Jenkins file. It will be automatically saved in the GitHub repository and build automatically as soon as I save it. So click save and first first commit. Okay, let's save and run. So once you click save and run, it should work. Yep, see, it's working. I can open that one. See, check out from the version control, expand that tab. Okay, see, first step, second, third, fourth, all are there. Even we can read the messages, right? We can read the logs. See, third and fourth are parallelly, am I right? See, third and fourth successfully done. Wow, that's great. So click on the first one. We can check the output from version control. That's a complete output, right? Even remember the first one, I have to check my Blue Ocean project. That's a print message. Now in the second one, we can date cal command option. So date command is there option and cal command options and answer is there. Now in the third one, the sleep command is there and my custom variable Linux value is Red Hat. Remember that. So Red Hat is there. And now in the fourth one, the git. So git repository successfully fetch first, and then I got cat index.html. Hi, this is my demo web server. So guys, this is how you can build it or you can do it. Now think about scenario, the Jenkins file. The Jenkins file is already here. Now let it be reload. You will find Jenkins file here. See, first comment, Jenkins file. So complete code is there. Look at that. Entire complete code is there. Whatever, it's automatically save and upload. So now if you want to update anything from here, you can update it here and you can build from over there, as well as you can also update from the Blue Ocean. So you can go with that one and you want to update something, just go back from here and let me open the project one more time. Open the Blue Ocean. So you can click this icon, edit, and you can edit the entire thing one more time as per your need. So guys, this is how we can use this one. This is very interesting and very important, and you can build your Jenkins file and build your code using the different methods. So guys, that's all about this demo. Finally, this is the end of this topic. Hopefully you have enjoyed and learned new things. Soon I will come up with another new interesting topic. Till then, keep practicing. If you feel something I have missed or you wanted to know more something else, please reach out to my through my social media link, which is mentioned in the description. And if you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button for the latest update. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and goodbye.